YouTube channel. My name's Fibonacci, and boy do I have a great video for you. Well, I want to show you my new system. But before I do that, I want to test something. I created something over the weekend that I really want to try out. It's a voice changer. I want to say this, I really love my voice, and my voice, I've been told my voice can be annoying, and sometimes people don't like my voice, so I created a brand new voice changer that I think will be really, really good, You're going to see it coming on the screen right now. This is the most powerful voice changer, and it's going to give me a human voice, like a real human voice, Well, I'm going to turn it on, and I hope you like my voice. Well, here we go.
Good morning, kids. This is Fibonacci, and I really want to show you guys the new system that we have this morning. This is the Fibonacci Analyzer 5. Now, what we're using here is a formula of indicators. These indicators that you're seeing on the screen at this moment, incongruent together, work together to provide a strong signal for buying or selling, whatever you want to do in the market as far as making trades, right? So I really want to show you guys how to work this system. It's really, really, really fun. It's been tested. It has been just back tested. We have done so much to make sure before we bring it to the forefront that you guys can have fun using it and make educated decisions when you're making trades in the market. Okay? Before we get into that, I want to share with you guys what platform this is that's running the system. So this is the MetaTrader 4 platform. A lot of you guys may have heard of MetaTrader 4. Basically, MetaTrader 4 is a platform where you could come on and you can see the financial markets. Either that's stocks or that's options, that's crypto, Forex, whatever, right? You can come here and you can analyze the charts and check all the perimeters, such as, support and resistance, Fibonacci levels, price action, market structure, pretty much things of that nature, right? So you can, again, make money in the financial market. Okay, so we have created a system, a software that works with that platform, and we have been testing and designing and coding this for over a year, and it is finally ready to bring to the masses. Okay, so I want to go over we're actually going to go over everything. We're actually going to go over everything so you can better have a knowledge of understanding of what the Analyzer 5 is, right? The Fibonacci Analyzer 5. Okay, so here to your left is basically all the pairs that you can trade. Now, let me back up here. So this platform is MetaTrader 4, but we have a broker, right? We always have to have a broker. We've talked about that in some of the other videos, and the broker is Hugo's Way. Okay, Hugo's Way. So Hugo's Way provides us with this platform, and it allows us to trade all of these pairs. Now we have Forex pairs. We have tons of pairs, right? We have stock pairs, oil pairs, gold. It looks to be options, some option variables, I'm sorry. You have like IBM, you have Amazon here, I'm sure Tesla's on here. Basically everything that you can trade is on this platform, and our software works with every pair, okay? I think there's some NASDAQ here. There is US 30, pretty much everything, okay? So all you have to do if you want to trade something, say you want to trade S&P, right? You just bring it over and you drop it on, okay? And then you get this, right? So it's basically updating, and all you have to do is bring it back, and there it is. Okay? Okay. All right, so we want to reload this, right? Let's see. See if we can reload this back on. Maybe 5. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see. Maybe 4. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, this is good. Okay, so here we are. And I apologize for that. Sometimes when you load on a new pair, it has to update, and I haven't loaded any of these pairs onto this computer, so that's why you get some of the, the jumpiness, right? But once you load all these in to this software, which we will do that moving forward, you won't have that, that kind of jumpiness, right? Okay, so I want to talk about what does this look like? What is the system? Okay, we have a couple indicators that make up this system. First, you see here we have our orb. Now, our orb, I want to go ahead and save this. Let me save this. Save this. So basically, I think it's this, and we're just going to do the main. We're just going to call it FA5 main. Okay. And we're just going to save this so we know exactly where it is. Okay, we're going to save that. Okay, so I think we're good. So I want to talk about, I want to talk about things like this, the things right here, well, hold on, guys. I think the changers have kind of running out. Give me a second here. Oh. Okay, we just sent the update to the new changer. Give me a moment. And I think we're good here. I think we're good here, guys. I do apologize for that. The voice changer is new, so we're still working with that. But look here. I want to show you guys this. This is the Fibonacci Analyzer 5. So basically, when you see one arrow, which is the bullseye arrow, the big arrow here, the yellow, and then the red, right? So that's 1, 2, 3. But you must have the green arrow here, okay? Once you see the 4 arrows appear, and once you see my face giving you the signal for a downward, for shorting the market, you can make that trade. Okay? Only when you see those. Now, so what we would do to work this very, very good, it works really well on all time frames. Let's see here. Okay, it works very well on all time frames. Okay, so on the 1 hour here, so we can get there, you can see 1, 2, 3. Here's the 4th, and then I gave you the signal. We don't trade unless we have these 4 signals. Now it's going down. You want to make sure that the daily is also shorting. So we go to the daily and see what it's doing. So the daily is going upwards. So this is not a valid trade. it's starting to go upwards. So it's not a valid trade. So you wouldn't take that trade. So I want to show you guys what a good trade looks like. Let's see if we can go to GBPU and let's see if it updates. Okay, it did update there. Okay, let's make sure. Okay, so it did update correctly on GBPU. Is that correct? Let's try another one here. Let's go to NZD USD. Okay. Okay, so the daily looks like it's going up. So look on the 1 hour and see what's going on. It's going down here. So again, that is not a good trade. So let's look for a good trade to see. Okay, so it went up here on the daily. Excuse me, on the 1 hour. We got the signal here to go up. Now let's track that on the daily. Okay, so it went up here on the daily. This was a good trade to go because it was going up on the daily. We always want to go with the daily. Okay? Now, we took that trade on the 1 hour, right? Let's see, we drew a line. Okay, so the line is here. So the line is here is when we took the trade. Okay, when that happened, we also had the globe, the orb turning blue, telling us to buy. We also had this Fibonacci analyzer turn blue and let us know that it's good to take a buy. So again, once you have these indicators signaling the same and also confluence with the daily. Even the daily says buy. This is blue, 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 blue. It's all telling us to buy. Then we would buy here. Okay? And that means you would buy from here all the way to here, which is about, let's see, this is about 230 pips, give or take. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's try out stocks. Let's try out stocks. We're going to look at let's see here. Let's see. Stocks are here. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon is a very popular one. Oh, look at eBay. Here's eBay. Let's look at eBay. So you just would take eBay, or want to trade that, and drop it over. And if it looks kind of clinky, you see this is not working here, it just needs to be updated. So you just go here and load, and we're going to load the main, right? So main is here, FA5 main, and it updates. Okay, so everything updated. Okay, so we're going to go in time. I love working with the 1 hour, but it works on any time frame. So Amazon stock has been falling down. Now let's say we caught it up here, where we got the 1, 2, 3 arrows, the fourth one, and then myself telling you that this is a good trade. So let's mark this. If we would have got in here going down, we'll mark it here, and we must go in the same direction as the daily. Okay, it's going down. Okay, signal here going down, it's been going down, it's been going down, and you also have arrows and me signaling a going down structure. You also have the sell orb telling you to sell it, and then the Fibonacci analyzer also telling you to sell it. Now, one of the good things I like about this is it will communicate with you through your phone, your tablet, or your computer. So it will send you messages when to take the trade, which I think is very, very awesome. Okay, so we were to sold off Amazon stock. Okay, isn't that amazing? Okay, well, I just really wanted to show you guys a little bit about the service, a little bit about the system, and we'll come back in the next video and show you more. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like. Please leave a comment, please. And I look forward to the next video with you. I love you. Bye.